Hey guys, so today I'm going to teach you how to lockpick a locked door with a butter knife. So, I'll show you on this door. It doesn't have the correct part you need. It does, but not the correct way for this. So say, see that little hook-in spot? You want to go, and then you'll just ram into the door. Here, I'll show you. Or, it'll just go. But how I like to do it, sorry, one sec. You sit that there. In your room. Magic. Just to show that actually does work. See? See, I got that door. Normally I film coin collecting YouTube videos, but I'm feeling like filming normal videos. Hey guys. What is covering this? I don't know. Okay guys, seriously, it does work. Just let me flick. Stick it in there. And pull it all the way. Then, see that? It'll get caught in this little edge right there. Like this. Okay? Then you want to go. And that will push this handle to go like that. Isn't that cool? This is the last time. I'll show you next. Alright? It's in there. You want to listen for that click noise. Then you want to ram into it if it doesn't open immediately. And now, just unlock your door. Now you can do that. And now, if you want, this is how you open your door now. Bye guys.